Good morning. Good morning, baby. Hello, hello. How are you there? Good morning to all. How's your wake up? Hi, hi. Looks like I'm sleepy. Going to sleep later. Tika, hello. Hello, hello. The baby is going to sleep. Hi, we're here outside the house. Getting some fresh air. Tika. Because it's too hot there inside the house. So we're here outside to get some fresh air. And also to reduce the heat. Where's the cat? Cat, where's the cat? Where's the cat? Cat, there's the cat in the balcony. In the balcony, the cat is. Hello, hello. Hello, say hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, subscribers. Tika. Dada, say dada. Say dada. 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 Bye. Dada. Say dada. Say cat. Cat. Hello. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, everyone. See ya again.